Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable examiners of this internship report. Good morning or good afternoon, examiner lecturer. In this special occasion, I'm Rizka Nanda Putri, a student of Accounting Faculty Economic, University of Jakarta. I would like to thank to the examiners who have given me an opportunity to present about my internship report. The title, Internship Report at Purchasing Admin PT Texmura Nusantara. Preliminary. The report is in the background of the decline in the number of construction companies in several provinces in Indonesia, resulting from the presence of COVID-19, so that performance in the construction project influenced the success or failure of the project. This presents a challenge for management in running the construction project. Of course, the construction project was given a limited amount of time, so that the need for human research based on the company performance was needed. The program is carried out to assist in the practice of knowing and supporting skills for cheating by the comprehensive picture in the work world after the practice of computing college. Therefore, the purpose of internship: 1. To meet one of the graduation requirements of the degree accounting study program. 2. Add experience and relationship before entering the real field of work. 3. Perform work and learning the switch the practical background. 4. Implement all the science that have been studied in the lecture, especially in the field of accounting. Therefore, the benefits of internship: 1. Increased knowledge and insight in terms of work, especially in the field of accounting in the company. 2. Apply all the knowledge that has been learned by practicing it directly. 3. Prepare a strong and professional mental practitioner to face the real work of work. And 4. Comparing the theory learned with practitioner in the field. Utility of internship for student: 1. Training skill and student skills. 2. Develop thinking power, creativity, and courage much needed on working world. 3. Learn to recognize dynamic and the real conditions of the work on works unit company. And 4. Knowing the shortcoming skill abilities which has not been mastered. For faculty: 1. Knowing suitability curriculum tough during study with needs in the work of work. 2. Knowing ability student in absorbing and applying knowledge which is obtained. 3. Relationship between the Faculty Economy, Jakarta State University, and agency or company. And for company: 1. Increase cooperation with the university so that good relationship between agency or company with the work education. 2. Improve the performance more effective company. And 3. Agency can do social responsibility for giving opportunity to students to the street vendors. Internship conducted at the company PT Texmura Nusantara, which is located at Jalan Dakota Raya, Blok G, Central Jakarta. The practice of carrying out internship for approximately 3 months, starting from 20 September 2021 to 24 December 2021. There are 3 stages of internship. 1. Preparation, practice looking for and asking information regarding the availability of street vendor vacancy. 2. Implementation, practitioners carry out internship activities at PT Texmura Nusantara and placed in the admin purchasing division. And 3. Reporting, practicing doing writing up to completion of street vendors report by using activity data for 16 working days of street vendors. Overview of internship. History of the company. PT Texmura was founded in Lembang in 1986. At first, the company was in the form of CV Texmura, which later changed to PT Texmura in 2007. PT Texmura is a contractor company in Indonesia which is engaged in the construction of sport field facilities with the initial mission of developing waterproofing paint product for the housing sector. Over time, the product and service of PT Texmura developed into a contractor service. In 1991, PT Texmura opened a branch in Jakarta which is located on Jalan Dakota Raya, Blok G 18, Kemayoran, Jakarta, Central Jakarta. In 1995, PT Texmura develops floor finishing technology with Pantene product, namely Sigma Turf rubber cushion and acrylic surfacing system. In 2000, PT Texmura released a new product, namely decorative concrete for commercial and residential painted concrete and export concrete. As time goes by and changes in infrastructure that are increasingly sophisticated and modern, PT Texmura innovates to meet the needs and attract market interest, innovating by entering a new segment of floor finishing, namely polished concrete with super concrete system technology from Italy. PT Texmura also released a that latest product, namely Terrazzo Veneziano and St. Maurice stone carpet. The company's vision and mission. Vision to be leader in building safe and high-quality floor care specialists across Indonesia, and mission consistent in providing high-quality product and service that can always be relied upon to satisfy consumer needs. Organization structure of the company. Therefore, structure of the company. Finance and accounting, project support, project operation, and sales marketing. The practitioner is in the project support division as a purchasing admin who helps project controller in purchasing raw materials. There are two general activities of the company, which is comprised of 8 sport court and which is comprised of 5 decorative flooring. Implementation of street vendors. Field of work. There are 7 practical work carried out during the internship at PT Texmura Nusantara. Making purchase order, following up on goods orders, inputting received items, inputting purchase invoice, inputting purchase payment, inputting new project and budget plans, and finally inputting daily budgets. The main job of the practitioner as a purchasing admin is to make purchase order. Purchase orders are intended as proof of purchase of raw materials to be sent to the vendor concerned. After 1 day of ordering, the practitioner checks the warehouse whether the goods that have been ordered have been received or not. If not, the practitioner will follow up ordering the goods to the vendor concerned. Second, there are received items. After the goods are received, the next step is that the practitioner must input data on the receipt of goods as a record that the goods are received in accordance with the order. Purchase invoice is a document containing payment invoice for goods that have been purchased. The practitioner enters the purchase invoice according to the purchase of goods based on the purchase order that has been made. Purchase payment is a purchase invoice document that has been paid. To input a purchase payment, the practitioner must see the exciting purchase invoice data to be marked as paid. The draft budget is a project contract document that is run by PT Texmurah. The practitioner input the nominal contained in the document into accurate, which is to find out the profit and loss on the purchase of the project's raw materials. Last, daily budget. There are 3 stages in inputting the daily budget. The first is to input for voucher journal. Here, the practitioner separate the MG office and the RN office. The second stage is inputting other payment, namely inputting daily office expense, such as buying office equipment or needs. The third is inputting project expense stage, namely expenditures related to the expenditure of project raw materials. Obstacles during implementing street vendors. 1. In making a purchase order, the practitioner is several times mistaken with the price, as well as the text agreed by the vendor. 2. In inputting the project budget design on accurate software, there are often double inputs so that it hinders viewing the project profit and loss report. 3. In entering cash and bank on accurate software, there are differences in the method used by previous apprentice and practitioner, making it difficult for practitioner to analyze the financial statement to the director of PT Texmurah. 4. Stack file archive requires a large storage area to store archive data and requires a relatively long time to search for data if the data is needed. Further, how to solve the problems. 1. Immediately contact the vendor to assure the exact price. 2. Look back and ask the project admin whether the project has been input or not. 3. Changing the previous input to be like the way the practitioner input the daily budget. And 4. Expand the archive storage area for financial transaction files and organize file in an orderly and systematic manner so that file archive can be stored properly and regularly. Conclusion. 1. The practitioner gain experience in the implementation of field work practice in the field of purchasing PT Texmurah Nusantara, which is a way of working with a team where the practitioner must be responsible and true in completing the given tasks. 2. Practitioners get a lot of experience regarding the work environment and understand how to socialize with employees and adjust to the work environment. 3. Practice gaining knowledge and insight in terms of work, especially in the field purchasing. Practitioners know how to make purchase order, communicate with vendors, input data on accurate desktop software. Now the process flow directly in purchasing construction raw material. Suggestion for students. In order to prepare themselves but understanding the materials and other additional skills so that they can support the implementation of street vendors. 2. To do the task carefully, professionally, and responsibly so as to get maximum result. 3. To take advantage of the knowledge and experience gained from the implementation of street vendors. For faculty, 1. For the Jakarta State University, especially the Faculty of Economy, it is hoped that it can increase cooperation with government, BUMN, and private companies so that students have no difficulty in finding place for street vendors. 2. In order to provide a socialization about street vendors, such as the correct rules and procedure for street vendors before prospective practitioners carry out street vendor activity. And 3. In order to provide convenience in managing everything related to the implementation of state vendors. And for company, one, the practitioner suggests that it is better to add employees to the finance division. 2. In the input stage, the user should check whether the data that the practitioner create is correct or not. And 3. In the accounting software used by PT Textbura in inputting data, every day should be just default from the beginning of inputting. Thank you for attention of the lecture and friends. Sorry if there is a wrong pronunciation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.